session. Students, today we will be starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, playing with the numbers, right? This chapter you have already gone in standard 5th also. The same is there in standard 6th also, but with some new advancements. Okay, the first topic, student, that we are going to study in this chapter, that is factors. Factors. Now, what is the definition of factor? First, we will see that. Then we'll see some examples based on it. Okay, the definition of factor is: a factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. That means the number which is dividing, which helps in division and complete division. Okay, for example, if I say 12, now 12 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 2, 12 can be divided by 4, 12 can be divided by 6 also, 12 can be divided by 12 itself also. So what are these? These numbers are what? These numbers are the factors of 12. So let's understand this in better manner with the help of example, students. Okay, I am having an example, say for example 20. Right, and I need to students write the factors of 20. That means which numbers divide 20. So always remember, student, 1 is always the factor of every number. Right, whatever the number you select, 1 is factor of every number. So you can make this thing fix into your mind that 1 is a factor of every number. Okay, secondly, can we divide 20 by 2? Yes. 2 is also helpful in the division. Okay, can I divide 20 by 3? No, it is not possible. What about 4, students? Yes, we can divide. Right? Now, what about 5? Can I divide 20 by 5? Yes. Can I divide 20 by 6? No, I cannot divide 20 by 6. 7? No. 8? No. 9? No. 10? Yes, I can divide 20 by 10. Okay, can I divide 20 by 11? No. 12? No. 13? No. 14? No. 15? No. 16? No. 17? No. 18? No. 19? No. 20? Yes, we can divide 20 by 20. See, students, here you can mark certain thing. That is, whenever we write the factors, right, always the starting is always with the 1. That means whatever the number you choose, your starting will always with that 1 only, and your ending will be the number itself, right? That means whatever the number you have written, the same number will be there in the ending also, right? So starting, that is fixed, that is 1, and ending, that is also fixed, that is this number itself only, right? So what you can understand from this, students, that if you want to write the factors, just remember whatever the number is that, right? अगर इसको हिंदी में बोला जाए कि कोई भी नंबर आप चूज कर लीजिए, वो किस किस टेबल्स में आता है, right? You have to write those numbers. So that numbers are what? So these numbers are, students, these numbers are called the factors. These numbers are what, students? These numbers are called the factors, right? I hope you can able to understand. Okay, students. Now, what is multiple that we are going to understand? Multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another number. That means, for example, if I say 4 multiplied by 1, we get 4. If I say 4 multiplied by 2, then we get answer as 8. 4 multiplied by 3, then we get the answer as 12. So what are these? These are the multiples of 4. So let's take some example, and I am going to explain you this in the better manner. Okay, example I am taking here as 6. And if I need to write the multiples of 6, right? Multiple is nothing but to write the table, right? So let's begin with the multiples of 6, students. 6 ones are 6. Next, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, and so on. right? So whatever are written 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30, what are these? These are the multiples of 6. So these are the multiples of 6. Is it clear, students? Okay, students, now let's see certain facts about the factors, right? First one is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Just see here the example. 20 is there. I have listed on all the factors of 20. That means which are the numbers, right, by which 20 has been divided. So see here, the very first number, as I told you before few minutes back, say 1. Right, so 1 is a factor of every number. Second one, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. See here, the last factor is 20. So what is this? This number is a factor of itself only. See, 20 is the number and 20 is the factor also. So every number is a factor of itself. Third one, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That means whatever all these numbers are written, right, these all are dividing this 20. So these all are the divisors of the 20 and they divide completely. Last one, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. That means, see here I have written 20, right, and all the factors that I have written of 20, right, they all are either less than or equal to. See, the 20 is there, all these numbers are less than 20 or equal to this 20. They never cross the 20. Is it clear, students? Okay, students, now let's see the fifth fact about the factors, which is still pending. That is, numbers of factors of a given number are finite. Okay, what does this mean, student? That is, for example, if I say 20, so the factors of 20 end up at 20 only, right? It cannot exceed more than 20. What does it mean? That means they are finite. They never go infinite, right? So that limits up to 20 only. For example, if I say 24, so the last factor of 24 will be 24. Similarly, 100, so last factor will be 100. So they are finite, which we can count, right? Okay, sixth fact about multiple, that is, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number, right? What does this mean? For example, if it is 20, right? So if I start writing the multiples of 20, students, see, the starting is with the 20, that means it is equal to, right? Equal to. Then comes 40, then comes 60, then comes 80. What is happening, students? These numbers are going greater than 20, greater than or equal to that number. If this is my number, the multiples of 20 will be either equal to or greater than the 20, right? Next one is, the numbers of multiples of a given number is infinite. That means the multiples are always infinite. They cross and cross, right? We cannot have any particular limit as we have in the factors. Factors में जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि for example 20 है तो 20 का factor last 20 होगा. It cannot go more than that. But the same is not happen in the case of this, right? If I start adding the multiples of 20, then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and so on. 20 into 100, 20 into 1 lakh, 20 into 1 crore. They are infinite, right? So this is the meaning of finite and infinite. Next one. Every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. See, 20 is there, number is also 20, the multiple is also 20. So every number is a multiple of itself, right, as well as the factor of itself. This is also a statement and this is also a statement. Every number is a multiple of itself, every number is a factor of itself. I hope, students, you understood about the factors and
आभार।